DJI Mini 5 Pro, the next big leap in a small package. Drone world may be on the verge of a major shift, and it's not coming from a bulky, high-end rig. It's coming from something small, smart, and sleek. DJI's upcoming Mini 5 Pro, set to be the most advanced model in DJI's ultralight lineup. This new drone could dramatically redefine what's possible under the 250 grams threshold. A well-timed arrival. Insider leaks hint at a potential release in September 2025, placing the Mini 5 Pro in prime position for the holiday season. This timing isn't random. DJI has a pattern of launching standout products just ahead of the buying frenzy that kicks off with back-to-school shopping and ramps up through Black Friday and the holidays. That strategy has worked before, and all signs suggest they're sticking to it. Light on paper, heavy on feature. Sub 250 grams category isn't just about being compact, it has regulatory advantages. In countries like the US, Canada, and much of Europe, drones below this limit are typically free from stricter registration rules. For content creators, travelers, and weekend flyers, that means more freedom and less red tape. The challenge is squeezing pro-level features into something this small. If DJI pulls it off, the Mini 5 Pro could hit the sweet spot between portability and power. A serious camera and a tiny frame, one of the most exciting rumors. A 1-inch camera sensor, a dramatic jump from previous Mini models. This upgrade could push the Mini 5 Pro into professional territory with sharper images, deeper colors, and superior performance in low light. That means better results during sunrise shoots, dusk flights, or overcast conditions without the need for bulky post-processing. LiDAR for smarter flight. Here's where things get really interesting. There's talk of LiDAR integration, a technology often seen in high-end models or autonomous vehicles. This would give the Mini 5 Pro superior spatial awareness, allowing it to fly confidently in tight spaces or low-visibility areas. From forest trails to urban corridors, this could allow for smoother, safer navigation even where GPS and cameras struggle. Flight time reinvented. Battery life has long been a sore spot for drone users, but the Mini 5 Pro may bring a serious upgrade. Reports suggest a possible 50 minutes of uninterrupted flight per charge, a game changer for creators in the field. Longer time means fewer battery swaps and more flexibility when capturing wide landscapes, complex shots, or extended action. What's more, the battery tech is rumored to include better thermal regulation and smarter charge management, extending both performance and lifespan. Go further, see more. The transmission system might also be getting an overhaul. The Mini 5 Pro could be equipped with a next-gen video feed platform, possibly DJI 4 or something new that delivers stable, high-resolution video with minimal delay over distances up to 25 kilometers. That's a range typically seen in enterprise drones, now potentially in the palm of your hand, built for social creators in a world driven by vertical video. He seems ready to meet creators where they are. The Mini 5 Pro may support native vertical shooting, letting users film in portrait mode without awkward gimbal adjustments or post-production cropping. This is especially appealing for those creating content for platforms like TikTok, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Foldable, tough, and travel-ready physically, DJI is expected to retain the foldable, portable design that made previous Mini drones such a hit. However, this version might come with tougher build materials and better heat dissipation to handle longer flights and hotter environments. Expect improvements to the control interface, to more intuitive software, smarter alerts, and a tighter connection with DJI's mobile app. Smart pricing for serious users. Price tag is rumored to fall between $850 and $900 USD, a fair range considering the major upgrades packed into this model. That keeps it accessible to dedicated hobbyists, small production teams, and prosumers who want serious tools without breaking the bank. Things to watch for, as always. Staying under the 250 grams mark is key. Adding unofficial accessories or third-party batteries could push the drone above legal limits in some regions. To stay compliant, users should stick to DJI-approved components. A small drone with big ambitions, this isn't just another update, it's potentially the most capable sub-to-5 OG drone ever released. With flagship-level features like LiDAR, an enhanced sensor, extended battery life, and intelligent navigation, the Mini 5 Pro could set a new benchmark for what portable drones can do. For content creators, adventurers, real estate pros, and indie filmmakers alike, This might be the one drone that checks every box without weighing you down.